got a ton of worries in my bag.
A lot of times I dance to very quick music, and it's easy to feel like, oh, that's daunting and I can't move that fast. But the minute I start breaking down the phrase, finding out the moments where I can hold here and then catch up there, all of a sudden the music doesn't seem as fast anymore. So how do you do that? Here are my top 3 strategies to control your timing. So when the music speeds up, you can stay in control and make your dancing feel expressive and musical. Speed is about controlling the timing of your phrase, how you can stretch time, how you can compress it. If there's 8 counts in a phrase, you have your 1 and you have your 8, but how do you get from A to B? There's a million different ways. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, so that each step has a count, or you can do 1 and a 2. So you're compressing the in-between. Playing with your timing will give the illusion that you're moving faster than you actually are. I'm first gonna do the pirouette in a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have to do the same step that's made in a 5, but do it in a 4. So I'm obviously gonna have to compress it somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's all about the timing of the turn within the musical phrase. That's what's gonna be so exciting. People are gonna think, wow, that was speedy. I actually dive deeper into this in my full Dance Masterclass, so make sure to check it out. But for now, let's keep going with tip number 2. One of the best ways to stay ahead of fast or complex music is to identify the accents in the phrase. And one trick I use all the time is vocalizing the rhythm, either in my head or out loud. So one more time, that was down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, and down, down, stay. I'm saying to myself, down, down, up, down, down, up, right? If I'm thinking of doing a passe up, I'm never gonna get down that quickly. I have to constantly be saying that I'm trying to get down, 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 up, down, down, up. And it might sound silly, but I do say that to myself while I'm dancing. Knowing where those accents land helps you organize your movement, especially when timing is tight. Up, down, but up, down, step, because that's what helps me musically. When the music speeds up, it's natural to want to make your movements smaller to keep up with the rhythm. That's exactly what I don't want you to do. You need to create space for your movement, from your toe to your fingertips. So when I get faster, I'm gonna get longer because my body needs that space to move freely. If I shrink my movement, I'll feel tight and restricted instead of in control. So you do about 4 hops, and then you get faster. Awesome play, Susu. So you're making room for your speed, right? If you get small, then all of a sudden, how are you supposed to feel like you can play within the phrase and that there's even room for the feet to move? And remember, fast doesn't always mean better, and speed doesn't always mean fast. These are just a few tips. In my Dance Masterclass, we'll cover elements of music theory and how to easily apply musical components to your dancing so that you can grow your musicality and express yourself better than ever before in your dancing. Where to begin? I'll walk you through it every step of the way.